Hey there, it's Mandy from Designer Chameleon. Today I'm going to show you my layout for the first week or full week of January in my new wellness planner. I'm going to be using some butterfly stickers, which I think are a perfect match for these colors, some water bottles to track my water intake, some activity rings, and some neutral fitness variety stickers. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel and you like setup videos for planners and journals, I do both, so please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when the next one posts. I think I'll start out with the water bottles only because I know exactly where I want to put them on the page. Hydration is something that I tried to track in 2020. I did a fair job of it, but I'm hoping to do a much better job in 2021. So with the help of these little water bottles, it makes it quick and easy for me to track how many glasses of water I'm drinking in a day. And if you're anything like me, keeping track of that just based on the kinds of glasses that you use can be tricky. I did receive a comment in a previous video from a subscriber mentioning that they like to buy 2 bottles of Smart Water, and if you fill them up just from your fridge or your sink or wherever you normally fill up your water bottles, that's your total amount for one day. So it's a great tip that a subscriber shared with me, and I'll go ahead and share with you. Continuing with that theme of starting out with the functional stickers that are easy and I know exactly where I want them to go, I'm moving on to the movement section. So I'm going to use my Apple Activity Ring tracker stickers, which is a mouthful. This is the muted version. I do have a version that is the bright apple colors, but the muted one looks nicer with this planner, and it's actually why I created a muted version in the first place. So I'm going to put that in the movement section to make that quick and easy. And then I'm going to use the fitness stickers up in the intention section to mark which activities I'm going to be doing for the day. I know that today is going to be a walk day, so I'll go ahead and use those and color them in. I have a colored version, but the neutral version allows you to match them up to your planner, which I think is kind of cool. So I'll go ahead and color that in. The rest of the week I'll add in as I go along. So that means next up is the most fun part, just the decorative stickers. When I got this planner, I immediately thought the butterfly stickers will go perfectly. And all you have to do is sprinkle a few around the page to get a fun decorated look and still have all of your functional space ready to go. For this week in particular, I really stuck with the butterflies that are super close to this color palette. There are a few brighter green ones and some other colors on the sheet. Even though they all blend really nicely together, I was specifically picking the ones that really picked up on the colors you'll see down the center of the page. I love how these blend in. They just look so cute and make me want to look at my page and get ready for the week with more intention. I'm starting off the year focusing on my intention as my main goal and not a specific number. I'm not trying to walk a certain distance. I'm not trying to bike a certain number of miles, that kind of thing. I'm just trying to show myself the effort. Whatever those numbers look like, they look like. I just want to see the effort go in. With the stickers in place, let's take a little bit of a look at what the week will work out like. I really do enjoy this wellness layout. I'm going to follow these prompts at the bottom in the take note section, and I'm going to use the nourish section for my meals and the top, of course, for my exercise. I think it's going to be a good layout for me. And one more thing before I go, I always love seeing the spreads that you guys tag me on Instagram using my stickers from my shop. They make my day every single time that I see them, so I'm going to make a point to share them with you in my videos going forward. Have a great day. Bye-bye.